Hello, today I am going to tell you how to add glow text effect in Davinci Resolve. As you can see, we have imported our video. We will add text glow effect on this layer. First you have to go to the effects panel. Then click on toolbox and on search bar search fusion composition. Then drag this onto our timeline. Now select this fusion composition and go to this fusion page. Here press Ctrl plus space and add a text. You can add by clicking add. Now press again Ctrl plus space and add glow. Click add to add glow effect. Now drag this point to the media out 1. Now click on text 1 and add whatever text you want to add. I will just add glow. Down here you can select the size of your text. Now to change the glow settings, select glow. Here you can see the controls for our glow. Here you can change glow settings to your own liking. Okay, that's perfect. Here you can see we have a very nice glow effect on our text. Now to add glow effect on our video layer, select video layer, scroll down, select open FX and search glow on search bar. Drag this glow effect on our video layer. Here you can see we have a very nice glow effect on our video. To change the glow settings, click on inspector and then on effects. Here you can change the glow settings to your liking. From here you can change the color of your glow. So as you can see, we have a very nice glow effect on our video layer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next video.